starting my 2026 with a travel to Thailand. So, kapon ka everyone! Yung reason ko guys, bakit ako pumunta dito sa Thailand is first, mas mura yung ticket from Rojas City to Thailand then to UAE compare sa Rojas City to Manila and then to UAE. Dalawa is gusto kong kumain ng Hainanese chicken which is kinikrave ko talaga. Pangatlo is gusto ko lang ng spontaneous trip by myself before going back to reality which is my working in the UAE. I really enjoyed the feeling of being alone. Walang nakakilala sa'yo, na kumakain kang mag-isa pero nag-i-enjoy ka pa rin. Sabi ko din sa own company mo. What I really like about Thailand is yung food court nila. Super maraming pagpipilian, tapos mura pa. Kasi guys, meron dyan exotic food which is trend talaga siya sa Thailand. Pero hindi ko siya tinry kasi I'm not into exotic food. Tapos guys, yung sa mangga, mas masarap at mas matamis yung mangga natin dyan sa Pinas. So, ilalaban ko yung mangga natin guys. I really recommend the Hainanese chicken guys kasi Michelin star na siya. Tapos, mura pa, mga 120 pesos lang siya. So, that's it for today. Thank you!